Hello guys, so I already test this module and it's working fine. Also, if you're new to this and you don't have a datasheet, please go here and find this model. I hope you can see this. Okay, sorry if my video is blurred. And you can also find here the datasheet over here and how it function. So I give you the specs. So this is a non-memory type, so this is a different model, but it's okay. So the internal memory is 8 MB. It have a pre-installed 8 MP3 right now, so that is the ringtone of some iPhone. I don't know.
Paano po siya pinapili ng anak niyo? Sabi ng sa group chat namin siya lang, sabi ng anak ko, sir, sino siya? Yung pangalawa sa panganay ko, sir. Yung panganay ko. Oh, sir. Sabi niya, mamang, sino ang kinsay ng piliun? Si kanay yung lalaki o palang kami. Sabi niya, sir, pasensya lagi yung mga anak kayo niya. Sabi niya, mamang, sino ang
11 to 12.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Answer the phone.
So, marule out na natin yung
Magaling kang supal ka.
so isa sa inyo is identity. Sabi ng nagkaroon na pagkakamali. Pagkakamali.
Sa makalingoy, ano na ako lingoy, nang salika.
Sa kamote tayo nabuhay!